What's going on, guys? Frank and Gordon back again, this time with a message about the one ritual that only top sales performers practice every single day.
So be sure to stay with us till the very end so that you can find out how to build this must-have tool if you want to play ball with the top sales performers that make real money.
Now, for those that are new here, our channel is all about helping people in sales dig out their inner potential to go further, faster.
So the tool that Gordon and I are referring to is your sales mantra. A mantra is like a seed that we plant in our mind, which when nurtured will help to bear the results that we wish to see in our life.
A mantra is a sort of chant that has meaning to those who use it. It's a source of energy that gets you going and keeps you going. Not only that, but it reminds us to be alert of the choices that we make.
A mantra is a ritual that helps us to focus our mind and body to ensure that the decisions we take and actions we engage in are in line with reaching our goals.
This is how powerful a mantra can be. Our foundation for getting things done every single day is our mantra. It's our sales and goals mantra.
In fact, if you know us, if you follow us on this channel and any other social media platform, you'd know that we say go further, faster a lot. In fact, we say it almost all the time because it's our reminder every day that when you're in sales, you're in a race.
We invented this mantra, go further, faster. It puts us on the road that doesn't have any limitations. And as Frank said, every day is a race. We just don't know what kind of race we'll be running. So, first thing in the morning, we say to ourselves, go further, faster, and then we go.
Sales are a race. Goals are a race. Life is a race. Sometimes it's a cross-country race. Other times, it's a sprint. Or it could be a speed walk kind of race. But it's always a race. So, go further, faster is our mantra. It helps us get into the right mindset right from the start. And it keeps us going. It works for us, and who knows, it'll surely work for you. So feel free to use it. Go further, faster.
Now you might want to figure out what your sales mantra could be. What do you say to yourself when you wake up every morning? What do you say to yourself whenever you set your mind to do anything? Now what we'd like to do is help you find your own mantra. You ready?
First of all, visualize it. Think about your biggest goal in life. What's your wildest, craziest dream type of goal? Visualize yourself nailing that goal. What does it look like? How amazing does that sense of accomplishment feel? How would you feel once you've hit your biggest goal in your life?
Now that you thought about how it will feel to reach your goal, think about a motto or mantra that will inspire you to reach it. What can you say to yourself every single day, 1,000 times if need be so, that will push you to go further and get closer to your goal?
What words will fill you with energy? What words will inspire you and put you in the right mindset to take huge steps to make sure that you conquer that goal?
Whatever those words are, own them.
Be obsessed by them.
Use them to become the ultimate selling machine.
Use your mantra to focus on the things that inspire you to push you forward. Use them to give you strength to face the world with confidence.
Repeat your mantra throughout the day until you manage to embed it within you.
Focus on it to connect the power of your mind to help set you up for positivity and success.
So remember to repeat your mantra over and over again. And don't be surprised if you start seeing a big change, huh?
For us, our mantra is to go further, faster. It works for us, and as we said, it'll probably work for you. So go ahead and use it and see for yourself.
Well guys, that's it from us this time. Now we hope that you found this video interesting and most of all, helpful. So if you did, show us some support by giving this video the thumbs up. And also consider sharing this video to help others go further, faster.
And finally, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, consider doing so now, along with hitting the bell to keep updated with our latest videos. You're sure to find some great tips, tools and strategies on how to help you dig out your inner sales potential to go further, faster.